Hey everyone, it's Tina with Studio T Hair Salon and want to show you a little curling video. This is the Bionic long barrel curling iron. I absolutely love this. I've got this set at 360 right now and I'm going to show you, this is a medium hair topper and this is a very layered topper. I'm going to put some curl in the middle there and then pull it through at the very end just to give it a little soft kick. I like to go separate the hair kind of in half, and I like from the front this part going back and this part going back. So I'm really focusing the curl more in the center of the hair strand versus on the top. Now this is just going to be for more of a beachy wave. So depending on what kind of curl you're looking to get, this is what will happen. So once I get that all curled, can do that pretty quick. I like to then let the curls set and kind of cool. And then after that, I like to go in there and just kind of take my fingers and break them up. Like I said, this is a very layered medium topper.